Hi there, it's Tuan again from ScholarJet. Today we're going to dive into part 3 on how to build a kick-ass LinkedIn profile. We're going to focus on one of the most important aspects of creating LinkedIn, your bio. Here are 3 tips to focus on. The first is to make sure that you are writing the bio in a first-person perspective. That means you are the one who's speaking. I see a lot of LinkedIn bio that's written in third person, like they have someone filled it out for them or something. This creates an inauthentic feeling. You have to speak from your own perspective. Some people have a hard time talking about themselves in a confident manner. But if you can do that in a first person perspective, then you would stand out from so many other profiles. Tip number 2 is to focus on the structure when talking about yourself. I recommend following this flow: where you were, where you are now, and where you are looking to go. To give more clarity, when a person visits your profile, they should be able to know a little bit about your past. What are you up to now? What type of opportunities you are looking for or currently pursuing? This bio is supposed to be dynamic, so you'll have to check back in from time to time when a major change has happened in your professional career. Last tip, you should put your contact information in your bio so that people know how to reach out to you. You can also add what specifically that you would want people to reach out to you for, so that you can filter out opportunities that are not a good fit. So what do we learn today? Speak in first person when writing your bio. Follow the structure of writing about your bio in the past, present, and the future. And lastly, put your contact information on there so that people with the right opportunity can reach out to you. I hope this has been helpful. Please share it with a friend who can benefit from this as well. Stay safe. Till next time.